If you purchase network roller shutters via an online order, you will receive roller shutters header box and gutters as shown in the photo. 1 TFT LCD master controller, 20 meter of wire assembly, and some wire joints will also be delivered. You will also receive the number you ordered of roller shutter controllers, bush fire sensors, 10 meter wire assemblies, and some wire joints. If you ordered a cyclone sensor or an emergency switch, you will receive them also. If you want to install your roller shutter yourself, we recommend you get a helper. Building experience helps. The installation is straightforward. Network roller shutters installation does not need any electrician license, as the voltage used is quite safe. Here are the tools you will need: a hammer drill, a battery-driven cordless drill, a spirit level, some drill bits and few small tools listed later. A workbench is very convenient. If your house has solid brick walls, you need a big power hammer drill that is able to make a hole through them. As in the photo, we need a 5mm drill bit, a 10mm drill bit and a 6mm masonry drill bit, and a 12mm masonry drill bit. Here are 5mm and a 10mm drill bit. Here is a 6mm masonry drill bit and plugs. We recommend AG 30mm screws for the plugs to fix the gutters onto the wall. Here is a shutter installation details: header box, guider, fire sensor, network wire, and controller. When you have prepared the tools, you can start installing your shutters. Step 1. Using a level, draw a vertical line for the screw holes for installing a gutter. The gutters normally will be placed at the edge of your window. Label X on the appropriate wall side for your screw holes. The middle of a brick is the best place. Step 2. Draw the X mark on the gutter over the X on the brick. Step 3. Make 3 or 4 holes along the gutter, depending on its length. You use the 5mm bit for the inside hole and the 10mm drill bit for outside one. Step 4. Check that the holes in the guide are in the same place as the X on the wall. Step 5. Drill the holes in the wall using the 6mm masonry drill bit. Put the plugs in these holes. Step 6. We need a 12mm hole through the wall. It will be under a gutter on the outside. This must be the gutter below the motor in the header box. The controller will cover the hole on the inside. We suggest you start with a 6mm masonry bit, drilling in line with your plug holes for the correct gutter. Then open this hole using a 12mm masonry bit. You will also need a 12mm hole in the inside the gutter to line up with your hole in the brick wall. This hole inside the room is for the motor power wire, network wire, and sensor wire to come through. Step 7. Use a 7.5mm drill bit to drill a hole for the power line to come out from the motor. See the next picture. You can pull out the motor power line through the hole you drilled, as shown in the photo. Step 8. From inside of the house, push the network wire through your 12mm hole into the wall cavity, and then extract this wire to the roof. Step 9. Network wires of different locations are connected together. We recommend connecting a maximum of 3 wires. The same color wires must be joined together, as shown in the photo. Cover caps, which were delivered with your network wires, are placed over the joint and squeezed tight to make the joint solid. Step 10. Connect all the network wires from each shutter. In our network roller shutters, any kind of connections are alright. However, we recommend the serial connection, the so-called daisy chain. Step 11. Now you can install your gutters and header box. Put the header box on the top of the window and slide the 2 gutters into it. The holes in the gutters must line up with the holes in the wall. The motor wire goes into the guide and through the 12mm hole into the house. The sensor is placed in the gutter, and its wire also goes through the 12mm hole into the house. We suggest you hold the header box in position by poles, as in the photo. Step 12. You fix the guiders onto the wall, using 8G 30mm screws into the plugs. Step 13. Now you can fix the wall plates onto the wall, covering the 12mm hole. 3 wires come out through this hole, and now through the wall plate. 1 motor power wire, 1 network wire, and 1 sensor wire. Step 14. Choose a number, from 1 to N, for each of your N roller shutters with controllers. Step 15. Number each controller with your chosen unique number by rotating the knob on the back. Connect the 3 wires into the network roller shutters controller and clip it onto the wall plate. Step 16. Connect in 1 more network wire, linking it to all the others, where you want the master to be placed. This wire comes down inside the wall cavity to a new 12mm hole, and is then connected to the master controller. Fix the TFT LCD master controller onto the wall. Here are some photos from the demonstration house. All 10 roller shutters are installed as shown in the photos.